Period. No, I wish my morning routine was like this. Let's get into how it actually is. So my morning usually starts off with me on my phone. It's the first thing that I go on when I wake up. I automatically reach my phone and see what's going on. And then today I actually woke up at 6:30, but then I fell asleep and I woke up late to my first lecture of the day. So I carried my laptop into the bathroom so I can still listen to my lecture and to brush my teeth and do whatever I gotta do. This man said that he can't tie his shoes. That's hilarious. And then I went ahead and brushed my teeth. I had just ordered this new toothbrush and I thought it was really cute. It's actually pretty darn cool. Then I used the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. That's the only one I use. And I used the Listerine, which I almost spilled all over myself, and I had to put some back. By this time, I believe that I had finished my first lecture and I had an hour before my second one. So I wanted to make a little bit of breakfast, so I put some bacon in an air fryer and it was so good. I'm obsessed with this air fryer. It's the best thing I've ever bought. Okay, so for this class, it actually required me to do some work and not just listen. So I was doing some math, being a little good student or whatever, you know the vibes. And yeah, any class that is before 12 o'clock, my mind is dead. It's really hard for me to pay attention. So if I'm lying down, like you saw before, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But here I actually am. So props, Angelica. So here I tried to be a good student and actually participate, but then I got the answer wrong and then I was rethinking all my past choices and I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna do this again. Never again.
Angelica, did you get, well, can we get, if we know that the other is 100 million, I don't think 1/9 should be 55%. You know what you can do? Category are all those small, unique kind of combinations of sausage.
I'm stupid. I thought he meant like other, not
red pepper,
that other.
chicken, red pepper, meat. That's okay, Angelica. I mean, it's not, I just want you guys to get the concepts more than anything, okay? Okay, so when we talk about something like that, okay? So today, everybody give it a try.
So I ordered AirPods, and I should be paying attention to this lecture, but I don't want to. I ordered AirPod Pros, and I returned my AirPods. I made a whole video about those damn AirPods, huh? Crazy how I went and returned them because they had this problem. Like one of them wasn't charged. Like one of the AirPods, it wasn't charging properly. Like I put both of them into the case, and there's. Thought he was calling me. You put both of them in the case and they're both supposed to charge at the same time, but they weren't, and that was irritating because I would wake up, so because I usually have my AirPods in to sleep because I listen to like ASMR or whatever to get me to go to sleep. So then I would wake up, I throw them in the case and I go back to sleep. So then I wake up, my AirPods are full. No babes, I would wake up and one of them would not be full, like it would be dead. So I returned them and I ordered AirPod Pros instead. Because to be completely honest, I was like, if I'm going to spend this much money on some AirPods or on some headphones, I might as well get the best ones, right? I'm spending over $200 on some AirPods. I'll just spend the extra $80 and get the Pros. So that's what I did. Period. So they're supposed to come today, so I'm like watching like my security camera waiting for them to come in. And they ain't here yet. I ordered a lot of stuff. Can't wait for that video where I get to do a little haul of all my stuff that I ordered. But let me get back to this class. I need lip gloss. I let it dry, yeah?
Look at that. They're all too scared to take you on.
Anyways. So as you can see, the AirPods are in and I like them. I like them better than the regular ones. So I already, you know, want to spend almost $300 on some headphones. Go ahead. That is the end of the video. My morning routines are not that, you know, extravagant. We're in a pentatonic. So I didn't know where to go. So I was at home and I had lectures until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that was Monday. That was it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Yeah, you know what you gotta do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And put on my post notifications so you know whenever I post. Because at this point, I don't know either. So it'll be a surprise to both of us. Okay, so I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a fantabulous day. And I'll see you next week. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something bad